here is number 5. We want to find sine of tan inverse of 2. Well, I don't know anywhere where the tangent is 2 on the unit circle, so I'm going to have to think about this as a triangle, because it probably doesn't have a hypotenuse of 1. In other words, it's not on the unit circle. I do know that tangent is opposite over adjacent, so opposite is going to be 2 over 1. Why? Because when I have a whole number, I know it's really over 1. And now that's my angle that gives me a tangent of 2 over 1. Do I know what that angle is? No. Do I really care what that angle is? Not particularly. What I'm looking for is the sine of that angle, which means for this angle, I need to know what is the opposite over hypotenuse. In order to find the opposite over hypotenuse, I'm going to know the hypotenuse. To find that, I'll use Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus 2 squared is equal to whatever that hypotenuse squared is. So this would be 1 plus 4, which is 5. When I take the square root to find what hypotenuse is square root 5. So now sine of this angle, which we don't know what it is 2 over square root 5. I'm okay if you leave it like this, but it is always good practice for a SAT kind of scenario to go ahead and rationalize that denominator. That would give me 2 square root 5 on top. On bottom, it's square root 5 times square root 5, which is just 5. Number 6, same kind of scenario. You might want to stop the video, see if you can do this one. All right, it's positive, it's sine inverse. Sine inverse is positive up here in the first quadrant. I know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So for what angle is my sine value opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 4? And for whatever that angle is, I want to know what is the cosine. So I've got to find my adjacent. And again, I use Pythagorean theorem for that one. Sorry. If x squared plus 1 squared is equal to 4 squared. So x squared plus 1 is equal to 16. X squared is equal to, when I subtract the 1, 15, which means x is equal to square root 15. So my cosine for this guy is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is square root of 15 over 4. And that's number 6. Coming up next will be 7 and 8.